भाई तेरा
Hi.
Hi, where you from?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I feel you're from India. हम भी
Yes.
हिंदुस्तानी हैं, पहचान तो लिया ही होगा। ऑब्वियसली बात, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। कहाँ से हो आप?
um. Right?
मुंबई। माय गॉड। So lockdown is going on, right?
Yes.
So how's lockdown going on? Mm-hmm. Why?
Boring.
Boring. So you go to school or what? Okay. So which class?
Sorry.
My God. 10th. Oh, so it's bored for you and
I just went.
you just went to 10th. Right. So what do you think? There should be online classes or school should be open really soon?
Online classes.
Online classes. You enjoy online classes. Why? No,
We have no choice.
you have no choice. Right. Anyway, have a good day and I hope you are enjoying your day, right?
Yes, you too. Bye.
Stay safe. Bye bye. अरे बच्ची है भाई, उसको क्या बोलूं भाई, तुम 10th क्लास में है भाई, मुझसे कितनी। हेलो।
Hi.
व्हाट्सअप माँ की आग। हितेश अंबानी। हितेश अंबानी, माय गुडनेस, व्हाट इज दैट? डोंट किल मी। वेयर यू फ्रॉम?
Your mom's house?
Huh?
Your mom's house? Sorry.
My mom's house?
Yeah.
My mom doesn't look like this. That I'm sure.
Well, no shit.
No shit. Hey. Hello.
Hey, are you a YouTuber?
I'm not YouTuber, I'm a gamer. Why
Okay.
do you think I'm a YouTuber? Everyone is asking you are YouTuber or what?
Because you seem like a YouTuber. Like
See,
your setup and everything.
gamer do does have this kind of setup, you know.
Yeah. But
It, it
you seem like a YouTuber.
it
You seem
doesn't.
like a YouTuber.
I seem like a YouTuber. Why? It's like my face is on YouTube or what?
No, you just there's a vibe.
There's a
I don't
vibe.
know.
My God, I'm not YouTuber. Luckily, you know YouTube. I don't like YouTube. You know, it's full of
Okay.
toxicity. I'm TikToker actually.
Okay, now you're a YouTuber. I know. I
Why
know it
that?
for a
Why?
fact.
Why?
I know it for a fact. If you're a YouTuber, please don't add my clip.
No, I'm not a YouTuber. That's for sure. I'm not a YouTuber. Where you from?
So, I am from Jharkhand, and are you from Chandigarh?
Why you are guessing things like that? You know, it's pretty difficult for me to imagine what you are doing here.
No,
Huh? Why you are here?
because I was bored.
You was bored, and what do you do actually over here when you are bored?
I just talk to people. What
Just
else do we do here?
telling something which they actually wanted to know or what? Huh?
No, I was. It was a guess.
It was a guess. Of course, I'm not YouTuber, and of course, I'm not from Chandigarh.
You're not from Chandigarh, okay?
Hmm.
That's fine.
But why do you think I am from Chandigarh? Now I'm much curious right now.
Bec- I just guessed it.
Why? Like I look like a Chandigarh guy. Chandigarh ka reyashiki.
I don't know. It was a guess.
Do I look like a Punjabi guy?
Maybe yes.
क्या बात है, क्या गल्ला जट्टा, क्या बात है। वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। तो क्या करते हो आप?
I study.
स्टडी व्हाट?
Okay. What do you think? Like, how old am I exactly?
You 22.
22?
See,
Seriously?
I can't see your face. You know, it's all dark circle around here, so it seems like you're 22. Been studying a lot right now. That's what I'm thinking.
No, I'm not 22.
Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. You look like
No, it's
You look
No,
like
it's not.
sweet 15, I was joking, Seriously,
Okay, okay.
I'm not kidding. You look like 15.
Yeah, I am 15.
You're 15, right?
Yes.
Yes, I knew that. I was just joking at the first time.
Okay, you're sure you're not a YouTuber because you
I'm
really look like you're a YouTuber.
I'm not YouTuber. Come on. Why?
So like you stream on YouTube or anything?
I don't stream. I just play games. When I'm bored, I play games. When I'm bored, I come to this
Oh,
shitty app.
okay.
And there are see, I'm not saying about you, but there are a lot of people, shit around this app. So I was just
I know it.
yeah. You know. So I hope you also found some of them.
Obviously, I did. Obviously.
Yeah. So your parents are allowing you to do that because you're 18 below, right?
Yes.
So in which class
My
you are?
parents, I'm in ninth standard.
You're in ninth standard. My God. So it's been going on, right? This thing, क्या बोलते हैं, Corona, na?
Yes.
We can speak in Hindi, right?
Yeah, हम
It
लोग
doesn't have to be
practice.
English because it's getting pretty much frustrating for me to speak English from fucking 2 hours and I've been fucking bored. So I'm really
Okay.
sorry being using these swear words. तो हम हिंदी में आते हैं क्योंकि भाई
Yes.
हमारी भारत माता की जय।
हाँ,
है ना?
भारत माता की जय। हाँ।
हाँ, तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि 9th क्लास में हो और यहाँ पे कोरोना चल रहा है। सो आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि कैसा है कि क्लासेस वगैरह पढ़ रहे हो कि नहीं पढ़ रहे हो? ये बताओ मुझे।
Obviously पढ़ रही हूँ मैं।
पढ़ रहे हो? क्या पढ़ते हो?
मतलब जो भी सारे सब्जेक्ट सब
नहीं, सोते होंगे सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ऐसे ऑन करा हो। यस मैम, ओके मैम। हाँ।
और नहीं वैसा नहीं। एक तो मैं आधे क्लासेस ज्वाइन नहीं करती हूँ, जो ज्वाइन करती हूँ उसमें पढ़ लेती हूँ।
ओमेगल खोल लिया, क्लास चल रही होगी तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ओमेगल खोल लो।
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। ओमेगल खाली रात के टाइम जब बोर होती हूँ तब, रात के टाइम मेरे पास कुछ नहीं रहता करने के लिए तो बस ओमेगल खोल के बैठ जाती हूँ।
चलो बढ़िया, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो ये प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा है, बट कोई बात नहीं, दैट्स
हाँ।
योर चॉइस। डेमोक्रेसी दी है भारत ने बस नाम की। एनीवे मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा, आपके पास कोई स्किल है जो हमें बताना चाहेंगे, दिखाना चाहेंगे?
ओके यू आर यूट्यूबर।
मैं यूट्यूबर नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, स्टॉप सेइंग दैट बिकॉज आपके
Okay,
बोलने
okay.
से इट्स नॉट गोना गेट ट्रू,
Get
राइट?
it.
ठीक है।
Okay. Yeah, I sing actually, but
आई वुड लव टू लिसन। मैं मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप गाना सुनाएंगे हमें।
okay, which song do you want me to sing?
Anything you like, anything you are
Okay,
good
like
at.
are you with anyone right now?
I'm all fucking alone. I can show you right now. I'm fucking all alone. Okay? My bad. I'm using all these swear words. Sorry. Anyway,
No. Well, I use them too, so it's fine.
but you are below 18.
Okay, slangs are not like abuses are not.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have age barrier, so they can speak.
ओहो, चलो आज की जनरेशन नहीं है। Anyway, आप गाना सुना सकते हैं हमें बढ़िया से।
Okay. I don't know which song to sing. Randomly मेरे दिमाग में कोई आता नहीं कि मुझे गाने बोलते
कुछ भी गुनगुना दो, कुछ भी सुना दो, अच्छा लगे हमें।
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second.
Yeah, sure. Take your all time, man. I'm here. You don't worry.
Okay, there was a song which I was listening recently. Okay, can I just cover my camera?
Why is that? No. Don't do that.
What do you think? I'm gonna play it on my phone or something? I'm just going to sing it.
Yeah, you gotta sing it, but it's okay, na. Just keep it like this.
Okay, why is it like that?
Mine, like, it's okay. You can sing it like this only because मुझे ऐसे ही अच्छा लग रहा है। पता लगे यार, ऐसे गाना गाया जाता है।
Okay. Okay, I'm very shy.
Don't worry. You already wearing a mask, so you don't have to shy. You can close your eyes also if you want.
I can.
Okay, I will close my eyes. Now you can.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay.
Mhm.
Wait, are you sure you are not streaming anywhere? or
I'm not
anything?
streaming. Come on, I'm not streaming.
Okay.
मैं streamer नहीं
Okay,
हूँ।
okay.
हाँ।
Okay, it's fine.
ठीक है।
I'll just say.
ठीक है बात।
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
So, just give me a second.
Yeah. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, close it. Let me think which song to sing.
इट्स ओके, टेक योर टाइम। ब्राउन मुंडे सुना दो मेरे को।
ब्राउन मुंडी मेरे को सुनने में अच्छा याद नहीं हुआ है गाना।
लिरिक्स नहीं आते, राइट? पंजाबी लिरिक्स। कोई पंजाबी गाना आता है आपको?
पंजाबी गाना
कोई भी पंजाबी
आ,
गाना।
आता तो है। ओके
हम्म।
ओके ओके ओके। जस्ट एक सेकंड, मैं अपने फोन में मैं भी एक गाना सुन रही
श्योर
थी।
श्योर श्योर, टेक योर टाइम।
जस्ट अ सेकंड। आई एम सॉरी।
इट्स ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू गेट नर्वस ना, एक चिल मारने का, यू नो आई एम ऑल हियर।
सो
हम्म।
क्लोज योर आईज।
या आई हैव बीन क्लोजिंग माय आईज।
Oh,
Yeah, skip. I'm done with this thing. Oh my god.
In her ass for cost.
What is that? मैं जा रहा था और उसने मुझे रोक दिया।